So it was last year when the family had planted their rice fields, and we actually attempted to start to do it by hand and I realized when I'm looking at the people we had, I was like, there's no way we were going to be able to finish this rice field in time. I mean, we're talking about doing by hand would take months, and we had like 5 people. You would need a group the size of a small army to tackle these fields if you actually see the size of the fields. So I was talking to Mama Sam, and she was saying that it would be a good idea if we had our own harvester, then we can do all the fields. So it was basically Mama Sam's idea for us to end up eventually purchasing a harvester and get into the rice harvesting business. Just to show you the scope of how large these rice fields are. We're just talking about a small area here in our village of Udon Thani. Just imagine all the rice all around Thailand and people waiting in a queue to get their rice fields harvested before it goes bad in the field and have to be like run over. So there's more than enough business out here. Tell them we have a queue. Basically, we've been running since, we're going 2 weeks now, almost daily, and still only did a few farms because the vast area, they call rye here, in the United States they would call it acres, but it is huge, man. And we've been having to maintain the tractor, and I think I bought an alternator and a switch for the, I guess it called the discharger boom, whatever. And that's just in the first 2 weeks. But it is used, so I expected some maintenance. But I'm just going to show you what these fields. I'm standing in the middle of a rice field, not far from the house. And this is just, like I said, a small area here in Udon Thani. Check this out. Okay, right now, I'm standing right here in the middle of one of these rice fields. This is huge. Look at this. This is amazing. And as you see off in the distance, that's our harvester way off in the distance. Over here. So get it way right over there. And there's also another harvester working hard on this side. So when you talk about competition and stuff like that, there's really very little competition so far. There's too much rice to be worrying about who's going to do it all, unless you have, like, most of these just smaller businesses with a harvester or two, or some family with a harvester. But unless you got a mass huge harvesting company with multiple harvesters and a big maintenance facility and stuff like that, there's no competition, man. I mean, you just come out here and you just take your clients and get it done. It's amazing. This is Nong Phim Rice Harvesting Service, Udon Thani.